In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Sites using the classic version. And then I'm going to show you how to enable comments in your site and some other features of privacy and sharing. So the easiest way to get into Google Sites is through your Gmail. In this case, I am using my Boise State Gmail. And up in the Google Apps area, you need to click and then locate sites. Now sometimes this sites icon may not be visible, and then you may need to click on more to access it. Here sites is visible, so I'm going to click on sites, and then I'm going to click on create. So here I'm going to choose in classic sites for now. I'm going to click on in classic sites, and then I am choosing at the moment to use a blank template. Now if you want, you can choose from a variety of available templates that Google Sites makes for you, but right now I'm going to just choose blank templates, and then I'm going to name my site. So for your class, I would just choose 20th century art. You can name your site any way you want to make it available. That's your choice. I'm going to then go ahead and click on create. Okay, so after creating your site, what you need to do is you need to create some pages in your Google site where you can store the various drafts of your assignment or anything else that you want to store in those pages. So in order to create pages, what you need to do is you to go ahead and click on this button called Create Pages. And then we can go ahead and name that page. So I'm going to name this page Draft 1. And then I'm going to put it at a top level. And then I'm going to just click on Create. So see how a Draft 1 section was created on the left-hand menu of your Google Sites. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then I'm going to go ahead and create another page and name this as Draft 2. This is also at the top level. And then I'm going to go ahead and save this. So see how Draft 1 and Draft 2 were created. So if you want to go to Draft 1, you can click on that and then you're in Draft 1. Okay, so you will notice that in this page, comments are already available. So if anybody viewed this page, they can go ahead and write a comment. Now sometimes you can see my comment has been noted here and people can reply to it, and that is how you can open up your website for your peers to provide you with a peer review on your content. So sometimes this comment feature is not available and you will have to go ahead and manually do it. So, okay, now I'm going to show you how to add comments to your pages. Comments feature will allow your peers to comment on your page or content, and that is a way you can enable peer review of your content. So to enable comments, what you need to do is you're going to go to this gear icon here, click on it, and then you are going to search for page settings. You're going to click there, and then here under page settings you're going to allow comments. Okay, and then you're going to go and click on save. Now remember, when you are, so here you will see that the page now lets you add a comment. So I'm in Draft 2. This is the second page, and then it allows you to put in comment in this page also. So this was how you added or enabled comments to your pages in your Google Sites. I'm going to show you certain privacy settings also, and how you can share your website. So under privacy settings, if you click on here, you will see there's a big share button. So you're going to click on there, and then it shows you currently how you can share your site. So you can see that it gives you a link to share, but then this also allows whoever you share it with to make that person able to edit it. Now you don't want your site to be edited by other people. So you need to make changes in the privacy settings of this site. So in order to do that, under who has access, you need to click on change, and then you can make the changes as is required by you or by the class. You can share your site with just specific people. So what you can do is you can invite people, and this sharing setting is exactly like how you would share a Google Doc. You're going to click here, and then you're going to put in the email addresses of the people who you want to share with. So the settings for sharing and privacy are exactly the same as you would find in a Google Doc. So this was how you set up a Google Sites. You enabled comments, and then you learned about how to change the privacy settings of your site and share it with people you want to.